Brad, David sent us this email. He says, help. He says his house smells like fish, but he hasn't cooked fish in the house for weeks. He's wondering what could the fish smell be coming from. Mold is one of those things he's worried about. Anything else that comes to mind in your mind that smells like fish throughout a house?
Fish throughout a house. I mean, I'm going to have to assume that we're going to need to start at the HVAC system.
Mm.
Now, a lot of times during these seasonal switchovers where you start, you've got a little bit of cold weather that we went through, the heaters came on, you've got things that are burning out. So there are some different smells that are coming there. Also, I would definitely, take a look at the filter in the HVAC system just to make sure that nothing's gotten wet there. Some of those kind of damp, fishy, musty smells too may be an indication of a leak. Check the roof, check anything that might have started to bring water into the house. But yeah, if they're smelling it throughout the house, it's something likely that the HVAC system is picking up and spreading throughout the house.
And David and folks listening, it may not smell to you like fish and maybe some other unusual smell, but if you're smelling something, you want to at least investigate it. And that is something I would definitely jump on immediately. And I'm wondering, what does a gas leak smell like? There's
Yeah.
an odor.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. So gas leak smells like rotten eggs. It's
Okay.
a sulfur product that they put in. The other weird smell that people are getting right now too
Yeah. Yeah.
are mice that are dying in the
Mm,
walls, and
mm.
those things will smell for about 3 days. There's definitely that decaying body smell. It's pretty intense, but the mouse will dry out pretty quickly and the smell will go away. But if it lasts more than 3 days, probably wasn't a critter in the wall.
Oh, okay. That's good information to know. You can see what sellers are actually saying about us. I've got interviews from the closing table. Go to LouisvilleSellersTalk.com, and we're going to take a break. When we come back, are you ready for the potential cold weather and what's coming our way? We'll talk more about that. Continuing with us, Cora Henderson, who is one of the head honchos at Pitt and Frank Attorneys, LLC. They do a great job of getting your loan closed. We love them, and we're over there all the time with closings. You can reach Cora and her group at 895-9900. Also, Brad Lawler, who's owner of Home Team Inspection Service and Team Bugout. If you need an inspection or you need to have the services of a exterminator, that's what Team Bugout's all about. You can reach Brad and the team at 844-411-TEAM. And if you're thinking of selling your home or even buying, I'd love to be able to help you. Call me. I'll come out. It's me. And we talk about the process. It's a free, no obligation time. I'll spend as much as you need talking and answering your questions and come up with a plan for possibly getting you moving on to the next level in your house, in your life, and selling your house. You can reach me 376-5483 or go to bobsellslouisville.com. And for an instant analysis of what your house is worth, go to WeSellLouisville.com, fill out the form and submit, and a computer will actually send you the estimated value of your home almost instantly. We're back in a moment on News Radio 840 WHAS.